Do you want to know how you can log into your BlueMarble Payroll account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your BlueMarble Payroll account. Go ahead and open Chrome OS browser and go to the search bar to search for BlueMarble Payroll Login. Click on this link, which is the official login page or login portal link of BlueMarble Payroll. So if your login portal doesn't open up, go ahead and click on Client Login, which you can see on the top right hand side. It will take you to this portal, which is the official portal of BlueMarble Payroll. The first step to log into your account is write down your username in this box. After you write down your username, go to the password box and write down your password. Then check your password by clicking on this icon. After you write down your username and password, go ahead and click Login. This way, you can successfully log into your BlueMarble Payroll account. If in case you want to keep remembering you the next time you log in, click on this box. And if you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, this is the link for you. I hope this video about how you can log into your BlueMarble Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.